Hey folks, Dean Bendall, the Mortgage Dean down at Homebridge Financial Services. Thanks for joining us this week. We're in the series on the loan process itself, how it works. Well, you've already been pre-qualified with Sandy. You've received a contract. You sat down with me or Tricia and been through what's the best loan program for you, decided to made a few decisions along the way. Then it moved to the two of the best processors in the world, either Angela or Christy. And now your file is moving to the underwriter. The mysterious underwriter. Well, let me tell you, it's really not that mysterious. What happens with the underwriter is they verify that everything in your file, documentation-wise, matches the requirements of the loan program for which you've applied. It's really that simple. And that's oversimplification, but the fact is, their job is to make sure that you meet the guidelines of the program you requested. FHA has certain guidelines, VA has certain guidelines, USDA has certain guidelines, conventional. Everybody's guidelines are different, so they have a pretty difficult job, to be honest with you. Usually what will happen is they'll go through, underwrite the loan, they'll make notes of some items that we might need to update or might be missing. Those are called conditions. So they'll send the conditions back to the processor. Processor will reach out to you and say, hey, we need this item or this item or this item. You get those back into the processor. She'll resubmit your file back to the underwriter for a final approval. What's the next step after that? We go to closing. We'll see you next week with more information on that.